here. Woo. Hello, my name is Dion and I've been living in China for over 2 years now, and now it's my 3rd year. I've just moved from Wuhan to Shenzhen, and I want to show you what a 5,000 RMB apartment in Shenzhen looks like. So first of all, I'm going to take you into one of the smallest rooms of the apartment first, which is the kitchen, because it's tiny. So you have space for the cooker, and then you have space for your soy sauce, and then your sink, and that's kind of it. Yeah, it's enough for one person to cook, but definitely no more than one person can really fit in there. So this is the main living space, and it is around 30 square meters. My favorite, but Bruce's least favorite aspect of the house is the stairs. So I really do like the fact that the bedroom area is light, but we have privacy also with the paper covers. So the space upstairs is good for Bruce and I, but the only problem is that our wardrobe is actually downstairs. The reason that Bruce doesn't like the stairs is because for a lot of Chinese apartments, they're used to just one level, and coming from England, obviously we're used to houses which obviously have stairs. So for me, it hasn't been a problem, but for him, it has. He's seen it as a bit of an inconvenience. I'm going to very quickly show you the toilet, which again is very, very small and compact. So let's go into the toilet. So the toilet is actually, as you can see, connected to the bedroom. So if we just go in here, yeah, so it's small. And so the shower head is right there right now. I don't know why, it should be up there. But as you can see, the shower kind of goes over the toilet. So yeah, I won't say any more on that. You can decide for yourself. So let's go back downstairs, and I want to show you one of my favorite parts of the apartment actually, which is the balcony. So the balcony is just through here, and we have the old-fashioned washing machine. I think it's old-fashioned anyway. I've never seen a washing machine like this until I came to China. And we have these bars on the window, on the ledge, because we're the 5th floor up, and it's for safety. If someone tries to break in, I suppose they can't, because these will deter them, and also they don't want people really falling off. Also, this is my view. So we're on a little side road. There's some palm trees. There's a food and fruit shop just there. Massage place there. I haven't been there. And there's a weird circle thing there.